This 5-minute solution will show you how to join Slap Battle's Discord server. Follow these easy steps to join the server. Open your Discord and scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server. Click on Join a Server. In this invite link box, type discord.gg/slapbattles and click on Join Server. And now you have to verify your Roblox account to gain access. So click on Verify with Blocks link. And now you will get this link. So click on this link. And now click on Sign in with Discord. Scroll down. And now you can verify using login with Roblox option or game verification or code verification. So I'm selecting login with Roblox. And here you will get your Roblox profile. Click on continue. And click on confirm and give access. Scroll down again, and now in this third step you have to select a server. So I'm selecting Slap Battles. And then click on confirm. As you can see, my verification complete. Now I'm going to my server and reloading my Discord. So this is how we can join and verify Slap Battle's Discord server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.